Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to join the Call of Wheels concert event in Heartopia. So, this special concert event will start every Saturday and Sunday at 7 p.m. server time. But during the first week before, it starts every day at 7 p.m. But from this next week, like this week, it's only available every Saturday and Sunday. And to join, you just need to simply log into the game at 7 p.m. like this, yeah, 7 p.m. server time. And then in here, usually you will receive a call from Atara. And then after that, you just need to follow the guide marker and head to the wheel mountain over here at this area. Near the Meadow Lake, this area. And then once you arrive, just wait for the concert to begin. And during the event, you will complete several fun states. The first stage is the Emote Phase. Just use any emotes or actions you have until the quest is complete. And then next is the Bubble Party Phase. Just pop as many bubbles as you can before the timer runs out. And finally, you will enter the performance phase. Just tap the interact icon above another player's character, and then next just use any interaction from the menu to complete the quest. And then after you finish all the concert phases, you can immediately claim your rewards and leave the event. And okay, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.